sudden, I stopped. And looked around. It was difficult to feel from south to modern motorcycle to the tip of South America and back.
It can happen one day, one dead of night. An innocent person is abducted. Glenn Hagstad is on the adventure of a lifetime.
It's one of those dream rides you don't want to end.
A year-long motorcycle trip from his home in Palm Springs, California,
Adventure travel, really, essence of my life at this point.
through Mexico, Central America, and all the way to the tip of South America and back. After traveling 5,000 miles through Mexico and Central America, he rode into Bogota, Colombia, and into the crossfire of a brutal 30-year civil war.
I was just outside Medellin. I was stopped at a roadblock and taken prisoner by the National Liberation Army.